Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. Orange squash is made from orange juice and water. Sean has two different cartons of orange squash, carton P and carton Q. The table gives information about the two cartons. Work out in difference the volume of the orange juice in carton P and the volume of the orange juice in carton Q. So what that means is, using this table, we have to find the orange juice of carton Q and subtract that from the orange juice in carton P. So let's find out what orange juice in carton Q is first. We can see that we have a total volume of 250 milliliters. 160 is made of water and the rest is orange juice. So that means 250 is equal to 160 plus the orange juice, which we don't know. We can bring 160 to the other side and we have 250 minus 160 is equal to x. Then we have 250 minus 160 gives us 90. So that means x is equal to 90, and therefore OQ is 90 milliliters of orange juice. Now we just have to find for carton P, orange juice for carton P. So we have 250 milliliters, and 30% of the total volume of orange juice is given, so we multiply by 30 over 100. This can be simplified to 250 times 0.3. So we can use our calculator here. We have 250 times 0.3 gives us 75 equals 75. And now that we have OP and OQ, we simply find the difference. So we have 90 minus 75 gives us 15 milliliters. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.